How to change country on YouTube account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open YouTube on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Now, under the Account tab, you will see the General option. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the Location option you see there. Further, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll through and navigate to the country that you want to change your location to and tap on it. And with this, as you can see, the location has been changed. So, this is how you can change country on YouTube account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.